Hello and welcome back to Games Night episode 2.
जब वो पहली में थी हम थैली में थे.
Guys, don't trust a woman to do this.
Let me talk, bro.
हाँ का भोसड़ा.
That being said, I'm gonna do quick round intros and get into this. Dishan.
But yeah, maybe next time.
Utkarsh.
That's a good one.
Karima from Instagram.
Taboo is always fun.
Zinera.
Is it good? Hello.
Sara, Executive VP at Main Street Studios. Veer Shetty.
Enjoy a couple of packets of Super You.
Bilal, Big Dog at WTF.
This DOP's biceps are very exciting.
Shrishti Dikshit.
Super you stuck in my teeth.
Rohan Shivs.
I was being hounded, okay?
Sheel Jens.
1 second, let me think. What do I want to say?
And Rahul still very bold. Alright, today we have a few familiar faces who are here for redemption and to win back what they lost last time, like Rahul's self-respect against Sheel.
Dash, shut up, later.
कहाँ ले गया दिखाई
Are you ready? Okay. Chup. Karima. No speaking on mic. Hey, when I look out the window and it's dark, what gives me light?
Moon.
Okay, if I go to France and there's a really big home, what do you call it? Like a fancy word for a... Yes. What is the yellow color marker on paper?
Highlight.
Single word.
Highlight.
When we're in monsoon, I need to carry when I leave the house.
Umbrella.
Okay, when it's dark and there's no moon, I need to switch this on.
Light.
Dark taboo.
Hey, this movie came out on Apple with Brad Pitt and George
F1.
Clooney. Single. Okay, I want to take my mozzarella and I want it. No, I want it very, very thin and in small. Yeah, what is the verb? What is the object?
Cheese.
Why?
6.
Not bad.
You have this, it's a healthy alternative. You can put it on bread.
Peanut butter.
What, first,
Peanut. तुम लोग खेल नहीं रहे हो क्या?
it resembles a dick food.
Sausage. तुम लोग कर क्या रहे हो?
Chameleons, what is it called?
Change colors.
What is it called? No, but them doing that, what is it called?
Transition. No.
Camouflage. Your bag, yeah.
White
Tiger.
dash or
Panda.
White.
easy actually.
White panda.
Abhishek started a company dash
Who's
condition.
Abhishek?
Mint.
Okay.
5. 4. He did 4. And 1 point from my tablet.
4 is good.
It's a long way, yeah.
This, okay, so 1st of January I make a
Resolution.
dash and coke, the drink.
Rum.
Betty bought some,
Butter.
but replace the wall of the...
Cutter.
Batter.
Majnu bhai is a invalid.
Artist.
When you go to the theatre, the most expensive seats are
Recliner.
the guy who lifts the world. Shit.
God, Atlas.
Oh, in Sambar you suck this.
I know.
Drumstick.
Oh, nice.
Yes, the dash of my academy suspended me.
Dean. Principal.
Now we got it.
Blue team on it.
You got 7.
Guys, एक और बार सुन लो. करीमा की बारी है. Okay. Let's
Like what's happening in the monsoon
Rain,
right now,
rain,
and then when
pouring.
you trip, you
slip and fall.
yeah.
Puddle.
So that and tripping both together.
Slipping.
No, the hawa
Sleeping, I'm sleeping.
Wind.
Hail, rain,
Wind.
storm.
and then trip and
Fall.
yeah.
Wind fall.
Yeah. Okay. What do you like to eat when you're on your period and it's really cold? Yeah. What's that?
Chips.
Yeah. Okay.
That's actually Super You. It's a great healthy
what
snack.
do you put with like when you cry in the kitchen? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's really rude as a person who is assessing performances
A teacher.
on reality
a professor,
TV show.
judge.
Yeah, who is a really mean one? Who's a really mean one?
Roadies.
No, okay.
What was it?
Simon Cowell.
Oh, Simon Cowell. Okay.
Can you please give it up for Z News going next?
Yeah.
Karima will redeem herself, Ugly Barry.
Nice, yeah. When you crack the joke for the third time, it gets
building it.
So I just press that. Another word for this. Oh my god. Okay.
Ganesha.
No.
Akshay.
As a kid, when you're late.
Yeah.
No. What is that? No. 1 minute, let me talk, bro. When you're late, your parent gives you a
Slap.
What do I not have?
Freedom.
What do I not do? What do I not do?
Drink alcohol. Job.
It rhymes with lime and
Hey, what?
Mime.
Crime.
Mime.
Fine.
Time.
You can't do this. Taboo.
I made a painting of
Horses.
a fake what? A fake no.
Duplicate.
Car.
Hey, you got
Hey,
a taboo.
time.
You got a taboo.
For what?
For
She's
lime.
like-
What was the last thing you said?
Painting.
Of what? Who made the vase?
Picasso.
Hey, she should take 1+, right?
Yeah, take 1+.
Oh shit. Alright. You
She
spread
can
this
see, she can
on
see, she can
butter,
see.
but it's not just go.
Maple syrup.
It's something that starts with the same letter.
Marmalade.
Yes, thank you. Phantom of the. I am
Thanos.
just
Iron Man.
absolutely.
Are you a person?
No, I'm not a person. It's. Wait, one second. I'm going blank here.
You're an experience.
It's an emotion where someone is like full of it and they start breaking shit.
Anger.
Yes.
Rage.
Can you give me more? Yeah.
Catatonic.
Infuriated.
Okay, I'm gonna skip. Fuck it.
What is it?
A great source of protein.
Paneer.
Chicken.
Cottage cheese.
What's red and a fruit?
Apple.
Okay, I was just training you guys. Let's go. Okay. Okay. I'm your fallen. Give me another song.
Say you love me.
Rihanna.
Jennifer Lopez.
Telephone.
Beyonce.
What the fuck? Lady Gaga.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. You are a part of a band. You are a
Boy band.
Polaris drummer.
I would like to lick this as
Ice cream lollipop.
dash parag dash masala.
Pan pan.
Okay. Dash coast. Didier Drogba was from there.
South.
A country.
Did you say Didi?
Oh.
Ivory Coast.
Yes.
Hey, that's not cool, man. You want to
Dash on the wall.
Fly on the wall. Fly on the wall.
Okay, time.
Zini likes to go at a hotel and do this.
Time up.
Time up.
Time up.
It's been 4 rounds. Total score is 20-19.
19.
With the red team leading.
19-20 का फर्क है 19 ये 19-20 का फर्क है ये 19-20 का फर्क
Okay, but concluding notes are that you can't be pointing at shit. You need some self-respect. You can't be praising.
That's I appreciate this. Respect.
Vedu.
Dead boy. Dead boy. That's Netflix show. They solve
Two of you.
Chalo. Chalo, go.
Hey, check for taboo.
What is
Detective.
Who is he? Cats love it.
Milk.
Tuna. Fish.
Name.
Sardines.
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 Fish. Some.
With an M.
Yeah.
No, skip it.
Slippers. Shoes.
Stripers.
Adidas.
Dash Simas.
Gladiators.
But it is also something you can walk with. Put all that together.
Six stripes.
What is stripers and veggies? You mean veggies?
Time's up.
You said veggies. Oh, okay.
Every morning you
Breakfast.
Walk.
Breakfast,
dog.
walk, dog.
Every morning your dog is this. Think your
Treat.
dog
Yawn.
is for you.
Treats. Oh.
Treat.
Bone ball.
Newspaper.
Yes.
Newspaper. Chalo.
Seasoning you put on pizza.
Oregano.
Chili pepper.
Chili flakes.
Chili flakes.
Hey,
Pass.
Hey, taboo.
अरे pass.
Okay.
This is a big dessert.
Lasagna.
Big
Dessert.
Tiramisu.
American
Cheesecake.
baked dessert.
Cheesecake.
No.
Pie.
Yes, American. Okay. When I'm in an elevator, I'm scared.
Claustrophobia.
Alright. Arnold Schwarzenegger finds this in his Yes, it's too Baba would have gotten that. Damn, you guys are solid.
You were good.
Wait, so now they need to
It was wrong in
No, he had also done the same thing. He had also passed it. Yeah.
Okay. Like almond but more cashew.
Peanut cashew.
Colors, schemes.
Next.
What I have in the morning.
Coffee.
Cereal.
Cereal.
Cocoa puff.
Another thing I have in the morning. What
Chia.
and nutcracker.
Green tea.
But not
Pancake. Waffle.
similar to pancake.
French toast.
Something that we all know. Where do we
Yeah.
India? Is it which?
Continent. Asia.
Color of my skin.
She's back to zero again.
Bagel. But,
Shop.
no, bagel but.
Cream cheese.
Small.
Donut.
Very well balanced round.
एक मेरा, एक तेरा.
Time's up.
Very.
Solid, yeah, solid. Can we please?
Bye. Here's our man of the match.
I got 5, right?
Yes,
that's
you
solid.
got 5.
You got 5 tablets, that's solid. There's no problem with it.
She got color taboo twice. फिर से color.
Anyway, end of round 1 and red team is at 28 and our team blue is at 27.
We won. Beat as cool as lucky.
Why didn't we scream this
We
loud?
will catch up. We will catch up.
100% get
Why are we not yelling?
Round 2 is starting.
बारी
Zini.
Yes.
बातें.
Let's go.
Edu, it's all on you now.
Oh, I have this. When I go to Nutcracker and order, I put this sticky
Arey,
thing
what
on
is
top.
this?
What is not?
Okay, I want to have Mango Dash in the summer.
Mango dolly. I
Have that, but now
Shake,
if it's
puppy.
but fancy.
Popsicle. Thick shake.
No, fancy.
Sword base.
Ha.
Sword base.
Okay, I go to Dash. I need a Dash bowl every afternoon
Burrito
for lunch.
bowl.
Crack.
Another one, really
Salad
healthy.
bowl.
Protein.
Said crack.
You find crocodiles in these spots where.
Florida.
What are they called?
Mangrove.
My maid does this on the. What does she use?
Broom.
She uses another one.
Lysol.
Okay, other than pancakes, I get
Waffle.
single. Oh my whip can be plugged in, but it also has fuel. It's a
Hybrid?
Hybrid.
Hybrid?
hybrid. Yes. Oh fuck, you missed it. Oh, so close.
Hybrid.
What can you do?
His whip.
I couldn't say car.
You guys don't speak hip hop, alright? Yeah.
Today's sponsor.
Actually not crack.
But actually, Super, you don't make waffles at all. So we have to go to
Not yet.
Okay.
protein waffles.
What the hell?
The very famous flavor, Dashing Cream. It's a pink thing that you put in a.
Hey, ऐसा नहीं बोलेगा.
It's a pink thing you put in your bowl.
Blueberry, acai.
What is your
Gold, strawberry.
No. It's
Where
savory.
do you put it?
It grows in the ground.
Beetroot.
Yes. Oh, if I hurt my foot while playing pickle, so I had a dash on my leg.
Fracture.
Scratch.
Sprain.
Cast scarring.
Yes, cast. A Spanish food which is
Paella.
Churros.
no, which is flat. It's like a chilla, stuffed chilla.
Quesadilla.
Yes. I go to Nutcracker and have
Breakfast. Pancake.
yes.
How would we know?
Dash talk in the bedroom.
Pillow talk.
I'm going to.
Explode.
Yes. Oh yes, you're the fucking hell. You got
एक सेकंड शील ने कहा बेडरूम में ट्रैश टॉक पहला राउंड तो हम जीत गए ना हम वीडियो छोड़ देंगे पहले राउंड देखना बंद कर देना फर्स्ट हाफ में
No pressure. But he got 7.
Shut the fuck up.
Like 2.
Okay, I'm fine. She's scared. The house, the Christmas house. First word only. Yeah. When you die, you have this
Afterlife.
kind of thing that's on
Soul.
top of your spot. Yeah. Sorry, yeah. Something that you replace with things that you put next to a gravy. What do you put next to a gravy?
Sides.
sides,
Bread.
Salad.
breads,
More types of things that you can substitute with rice.
Mashed potato.
rice.
mashed potato.
Rice. She said rice already, that's why.
Yeah.
Oh my god, mashed
Quinoa.
potato noodles.
Yeah. Dash Waverly Place. Yeah, okay. What do you eat that's soft and kind of does this thing? No.
She got
Yeah,
it
I
wrong.
said it, but it's like a soft bowl thing. It's really
Pudding. What is it?
You need to
But I
get
put it. Pudding.
Yeah.
Pudding. I said it now.
It's
Okay.
done. I
Fine.
was shaking.
Pudding.
Yeah, ये कौन सा pudding है? Pudding होता है.
Taboo word is jiggle, and she did this. That's the issue.
What Bilal said about what you put on pizza.
Oregano.
The royal family.
King, Prince.
Isha Thakkar.
Okay, I know. There's a movie about this. It's a very heartfelt movie
Titanic.
about a little boy
Black.
and a
Bambi.
and a
Whale.
Willy. What? Yeah. What is
Wet
Willy?
Willy. Whale.
What kind of?
Dolphin. Orca. Blue whale.
Killer whale.
Nice.
Not bad.
Not bad. Not bad. That was terrible.
36. Yeah. Okay, you have this in a salad.
Lettuce.
Cocaine.
No, it could be brown in color.
Heroin.
Skip. Oh, if I want to have a dessert, I go to a
Patisserie.
more names for that. Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
I'm scared of.
Dogs, cats,
Dogs.
spiders.
Heights.
Boss.
Spiders.
What? No, like really scared. Like if it comes. Oh, monsters under the bed.
Monsters.
Hey, whoa.
He said it. I will be.
My vehicle rammed into something. That's it. It's a second one. Indigo. There's a restaurant.
Airline flight.
There's a restaurant. Indigo. Yeah. A type of it. A type of it. No. Who's the winner?
Gorilla, chimpanzee, donkey.
Chimpanzee. What are you guys doing right now?
Guessing.
Gaming.
I am saying something. You
Guessing.
are singular.
Saying it.
Cottage cheese.
Paneer.
Okay, now use that in a more
Time's
you
up,
winning.
Time's up.
Pioneer.
Pioneer.
Good effort.
That would be hard.
Let's go, Shrishti.
Palak Pioneer.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Please.
Something you put on your burger.
Lettuce, mayo,
Ketchup,
cheese.
mayo.
You can only eat cauliflower rice when you are
Vegan.
Gluten free.
Keto. We don't know how they built these.
Yeah, I love that.
Genuine confusion.
Beverage.
Iced tea, kombucha, Coca-Cola, Pepsi.
Fancy.
Mountain Dew.
Sprite.
You can get high or you can just be.
Life.
Sober.
Sober.
You can eat these and just be high or they're just sweet.
Gummy.
Women love this stereotypically.
Pink.
People
Makeup.
spend money.
Shopping.
Bags.
Shopping.
Sale.
Done.
Hey.
What great
I was
round.
about to say
Yeah,
driving.
great round. Great round.
Enough?
Dishan, you go.
Let's go.
Hey, enough people. Okay, during December,
Winter.
it's really cold and kids
Snow.
make
Snow.
angels.
Taboo. Yes.
For your dad's B-day, you made a.
Painting.
But before you painted, you made a.
Drawing.
Photo.
Yeah,
Sketch.
That kid show, Rob.
Mad. Killed it.
This guy makes really yummy
Condoms.
condoms.
Yeah.
On top of that, breakers.
Gummy.
Cupcake क्यों वो क्या जाता है यार? Frosting.
Okay.
Wait,
Which
what's going on?
fries I eat
Ketchup.
McDonald's?
Ketchup. Piri piri.
Burger.
Burger.
बड़ा वाला. Burger.
Burger King.
Big Mac.
Whopper.
Non-veg. Burger is the first one. The first. Hamburger.
Blue team at at 56 and red team at 47 with 1
ये
point.
बाजी पलटने वाला chance.
So if Rahul gets a net of 9, then it will be equal.
That's a nail biter. That's a nail biter.
If Rahul gets
But if
10,
Rahul does what he does, then it will be a 10-point difference.
Wait, who's winning?
we are.
You got this. You
but they
got
could win
this.
also.
What if you do it? What if you do it?
Okay. You take a dolo to get rid of this.
Paracetamol, fever.
This is something you apply on bread.
Cream,
peanut butter, cream cheese,
bread.
White cream cheese.
mayonnaise.
Oh.
Edgar Allan Poe
Brighter.
used to write.
Poetry.
Right.
It's okay,
Let's
it's
go.
I said right.
If you want to send something to someone,
Message,
what do you put at
mail.
the end of whatever you write?
Regards.
What is the last thing you
RSVP.
Regards.
CC.
Sign off.
On the
PS.
seal.
Address.
No. But at the end of
Stamp.
that, what do you put?
Stamp.
Smiley.
Sign us. Oh.
Emoji.
Weed का दूसरा नाम.
Ganja.
Comedian.
Marijuana.
Weed.
Marijuana.
Like the
Marijuana. Ganja.
Ah, he got it. 3. Dude, that is. And the winner is with a score difference of 7 points, 57 to 50.
As the blue team in this house.
57 to 50, the winner is our team.
Let's go.
Congrats.
Man of the match, Shield.
Congrats Rahul. Congrats Nishu. पूरे वीडियो में कंफ्यूजन कर दो. सब सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. एडिटर पागल हो जाएगा. हम सब जीत गए.
Man of the match, definitely Utkarsh, 7 twice.
Genuinely खुश हो गया.
Actually,
I like it.
Actually,
I like it.
Can I just say what I've been saying all along? We just have fun with our friends.
I like it. Humble guy.
Wildcard star performer of the evening, definitely Shrishti Patch.
Let's go.
From first round to second, absolutely insane.
क्या बात है. Writer provider.
Last award for Grace Shield Jain.
Let's go.
For not having.
The way you tolerate me now.
One last time I would like to say, ये करीमा की बारी कब आएगी यार?
That brings us to the end of Game Side episode 2.
Let's go. And huge thank you to Vedant for hosting this.
Vedant Lamba.
Yes.
क्या बात है?
Giving myself the award.
Oh, I'm sitting.
And of course, big thank you to Super You.
भाड़ में जाए लेज. लेज गया तेल लेने.
This is oil free.
Oil free. क्या बात है?
ले गया तेल लेने. There's no tail in this.
उदास हूँ मैं आज क्योंकि आज काफी खराब हो गया मेरा पूरा दिन.
Yeah, I think I was better than last time. So that's it. Vedu sucks. I don't want to be in his team next time.
I don't think so. It's done right. And I'm going to come back for redemption.
But there's a lot. Like there's a lot of hounding, which I personally it just makes me sweat. So I would come back if they stop hounding people. Otherwise, I'm not coming back. Most likely, I'm not coming back. Yeah.
This DOP's biceps are very exciting. So पहले तो उसके आप biceps दिखाओ. हम हारे क्योंकि मैं उसके biceps देखने में ही distract हो गया.
Tonight was the most chaotic game that has ever happened before. I mean, we've only done like 2 of these.
I don't think I did my best, but definitely better than the red team because we won.
Guys, taboo is like being in a relationship. If you say the wrong words, it's over. That's a good one. Can you all please clap?
I don't know who did. I'm trying to remember what happened.
But I liked it. I wanna do this. I feel like I wanna watch it more than I wanna do it again. But it was really fun. Taboo is always fun. Vedant is always fun. People are always fun.
Who else is making noise? Big shout out Super You. I'd really like some money next time. But the chips were great. The chips are honestly amazing. Not a lot of people know this, but I am like, if you've ever been to a cinema and watched